Metaphysical Decree of Gratitude. Today, with deep love and gratitude, I proclaim a metaphysical decree to manifest our highest desires. I am infinitely grateful to the universe for all the blessings received and for those that are on their way. I recognize that each experience and each triumph is an essential piece of the beautiful mosaic of my life. Today, I decree with power and conviction gratitude for the infinite abundance in all its forms. My life is filled with spiritual, emotional, and material riches, and I continue to attract prosperity with every positive thought and action. I am grateful for the perfect health that nourishes my body, mind, and spirit. Every cell vibrates with energy, vitality, and well-being. I am grateful for all the loving relationships that beautify my life, surrounding myself with people who support, inspire, and elevate me. I am grateful for the clarity and purpose that guide my path to all beings of light, ascended masters, archangels, and angels, as well as to my elder brothers from other higher dimensional galaxies, because I am advancing confidently towards my goals in this ascension process. I am grateful for the peace and harmony that reign in my inner being, reflecting in my environment. Also, I am grateful for the creativity and inspiration that flow through me, allowing me to express my authentic divine self and contribute to the world. I am grateful for the strength and resilience that dwell in me, facing challenges with bravery and learning from each experience with every act of gratitude. Here and now, I raise my vibration and open my heart to receive more blessings. I am in tune with the natural flow of life, fully trusting that everything I desire is already mine. So it is, so it shall be, and so it already is. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Beloved brothers, gratitude is the best expression of love. When we give thanks, we are telling the universe in a manifestation of words how blessed we are to exist, to live here and now. We are telling our God, Supreme Being, Divinity, Higher Self, ancestral beings, my inner self, in everything that you believe and have faith in. We give thanks 3 times because the number 3 represents something that is seen as a whole. For example, in holistic terms, an integral being is body, mind, and spirit. The dimensions of time are 3: past, present, and future. The states of water are solid, liquid, and gaseous. The universe has 3 planes of manifestation: physical, mental, and etheric. So, when I express, write, or think thanks 3 times, I do this. Thank you for everything that I am. Thank you for everything that I have. Thank you for all the good that is now flowing towards me. Good day to everyone. Thank you for being and existing. I am Maria Lustig, guardian of the light's flame. Voiced by We Are Positive Worldwide.